So there is a small topic that we need to discuss from a unit 1. The meaning of the word account, different types of account, and the golden rules to account. Now, what is an account? Account is a date-wise summary of transactions relating to persons, property, expense or income. हम जब डेट वाइज समरी ट्रांजैक्शंस की करते हैं which relate to persons, which relate to property, which relate to income or expenses, that is called as an account. Your account in the T format, it looks something like this, which is given over here. The left hand side is called the debit side and the right hand side that is called as the credit side. So there are two sides to it, the right side and the left side. The left side is the debit side and the right side is the credit side. The short term for the word debit is DR and the short term for the word credit is CR. Clear? Now coming to your types of accounts. Your accounts are classified into two main categories, personal account and impersonal account. Personal account further has three categories, natural persons account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. Impersonal account have further two categories, real account and nominal account. Real account is of two types, tangible real account and intangible real account. Let's look at each of these one by one. Number one is personal accounts. The accounts of the persons with whom various transactions are entered into are called as personal accounts. जो लोग हैं, जो persons हैं, जिनके साथ हम different transactions करता है business, उनको हम बोलते हैं हमारे personal accounts. Personal accounts are applicable to all these persons when we are saying there is a natural person, there is an artificial person, and then there is a representative person. Natural person जैसे आपका ओनर है, गुरप्रीत का अकाउंट, सविता का अकाउंट, सूरज का, शिवम का. So the persons, the natural persons who are existing, उनके जब अकाउंट हो, जब उनकी एक फिजिकल प्रेजेंस है, हम उनकी बात कर रहे हैं, they are called as your natural person account. Then you have artificial person account. They are not a person, they are not a human being, they are not a living creature, they are an artificial person. They have a name of their own, they are registered in the eyes of the law, like your companies, your Amazon, IBM, Reliance Industries, Tata Industries, any of the banks. They are what? They are your artificial persons account. XYZ company, IABC company. So जो ऐसी companies, जो different firms हैं, they are your artificial persons account. Representative person account which represent natural persons. किसी को सैलरी देनी है, वो आउटस्टैंडिंग रहती है, जो प्रोडक्शन में काम करते हैं, किसी को सैलरी एडवांस में देती किसी बंदे को. सो ये सब क्या है? ये है आपके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पर्सनल अकाउंट्स. Then comes your real account. The accounts which relate to the property of the business, they are called as real account. Real account में there are tangible real accounts and intangible real accounts. Tangible accounts are the ones which have a physical presence. जैसे this is shown, जैसे building, machinery, furniture, car, engine, everything. This is what this has a physical preference. Whereas intangible real accounts, something which is cannot be seen. Your patents, your licenses, your trademarks, your copyright, your goodwill, something that does not have a physical presence, but they are the property of the business, they are called as your intangible real accounts. Then we have nominal account, the accounts of your expenses, losses, income and gains. आपके खर्चा, आपका नुकसान, आपकी आमदनी, आपका फायदा, इन सब के अकाउंट्स को हम बोलते हैं हमारे नॉमिनल अकाउंट. नॉमिनल अकाउंट के एग्जांपल जैसे रेंट मिला, इंटरेस्ट मिला, रेंट पे किया, इंटरेस्ट पे किया, कोई प्रॉफिट हुआ किसी चीज को बेचने पे. सो ये सब क्या है? ये है आपके nominal account. Any doubts until now? Any student having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So then this is given your impersonal accounts or your nominal accounts. You have your expenses, losses, income, gains. They don't represent any tangible thing, but they exist in their name, right? Now coming to the rules. Something I want you all to learn, take a screenshot of this. You have to learn this for your next chapter, which is your journal. We need to identify which accounts are your real accounts, which accounts are your personal accounts, and which accounts are your nominal account. Real account में आपके सारे assets आ जाते हैं, whether they are intangible or they are tangible. The rule to accounting is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. जब कोई एसेट बिजनेस में आया उसको करेंगे डेबिट, जब कोई एसेट बिजनेस में से चला गया हम उसको करेंगे क्रेडिट. Then comes your personal account. Personal account which relates to different persons, all parties, whether they are debtors जिनसे आपने पैसे लेने हैं or they are creditors जिनको आपने पैसे देने हैं. So the rules with respect to your personal accounts are debit the receiver, credit the giver. जिसको कुछ मिले उसको करना है डेबिट, जो कोई कुछ बिजनेस को देगा उसको करना है क्रेडिट. बिजनेस ने किसी को दिया, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Whenever a person receives something, they are debited. Let's suppose I paid something to Akanksha. So Akanksha, my business, from my business, Akanksha is receiving something. So Akanksha will be debited. Akanksha pays something to the business. She is giving something. So her account will be credited. And when we talk about nominal accounts means all items of profit and loss account जो आपके income and expenses हैं, जितने आपके expenses and losses हैं उनको आप करोगे debit. जितने आपके खर्चे हैं उसको क्या करना है? Debit. जितनी आपकी incomes हैं उनको करना है credit. Are the rules clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone having any doubts? Apart from Gurpreet, does anyone else have any doubts or is it clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Clear hai? Bache, I'll share this full PPT with you all, right? This was a small topic that was left. Uske baad we are going to start with the topics from your unit number 2, जिसमें आपका double entry system वगैरह आ जाएगा.